Greetings! We're at the 2019 New York Toy Fair, checking out the latest from all your favorite companies that you're going to see throughout the year. And right now, we're here in the Spin Master booth checking out the return of an old classic from AirHogs, the Zero Gravity Laser. It's a little car that can drive up walls on the ceiling, and it uses a laser to guide it around. Sticking to the walls and ceiling? How is this magic achieved, you might ask yourself? Well, it's thanks to the little fan on the underside of each vehicle that creates just enough suction to keep it on the walls or ceiling without it becoming stuck in place. If you wanted to just drive it around like a regular RC vehicle, you just turn that down and zip around the floor to your heart's content. And it charges via USB, so you're pretty good on that. You don't have to worry about looking for batteries or anything. And yes, I said laser guided. That means it's not controlled by a standard mechanism like a joystick or an on-screen touch controller if you're using your phone. Instead, it uses a laser gun that you point at the wall and it'll follow the light. The new and improved AirHogs Zero Gravity Laser will be available in August for the low price of $35, just in time to sneak in a few drives before school starts. To see more from the 2019 New York Toy Fair, stay tuned to Engadget for all the latest.